www.healthcmi.com, Acupuncture Continuing Education Online, News and Research. Today, acupuncture helps patients suffering from depression. Using functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI brain scans, researchers now determine that acupuncture can help restore functional connectivity between brain region centers in patients suffering from major depression, such that the brain map of connectivity is restored to a healthy state. They did this by comparing the brain states of healthy subjects not suffering from mental illness or depression with patients suffering from major depressive disorder. And what they found was that after acupuncture at a special scalp acupuncture point due 20 by Hui, after this electroacupuncture was applied to that scalp acupuncture point, that the connectivity between different brain centers in patients with depression then looked like patients who did not suffer from depression. So again, using MRIs, we found that patients who had healthy brains had special areas of connectivity that were indicative of a healthy brain state. Patients who did not have a healthy brain state, who suffered from major depressive disorder, had also characteristic brain center connectivity issues, both hypoconnectivity and hyperconnectivity. And by applying acupuncture, specifically electroacupuncture to scalp points, the connectivity was restored in such a way as to be like the patients who were healthy. This is very important because we know acupuncture clinically, through subjective and observational reports, can help patients with depression. But now we know that acupuncture literally restores functional connectivity between different brain centers. And if you would like to see the specific centers that are restored and how they are balanced, visit healthcmi.com, click on News, and take a look at the article published November 28, 2016 on the issue of depression in our news department. And what you'll find is the exact brain centers are mapped out for you, how this was achieved, and what the results were. This is a very important issue because major depressive disorder is common worldwide and causes many problems for both individuals and the communities around them, showing that acupuncture can be very helpful, not only in helping clinical improvements, but also the restoration of normal brain activity, is a very important element in treatment for patients with major depressive disorder, which is why this research is so specifically important. Getting a little more detailed, we know that acupuncture helps restore proper modulation of brain connectivity in the default mode network, the DMN. So what is the default mode network? This is the area of the brain that is active when the brain is inactive, when we're not doing something, thinking about a specific task and activating tools, or thinking about a specific thesis, or writing something, driving a car. This is not when the DMN is activated. The DMN is activated when we are at rest, when we are not focusing on specific tasks at hand. And patients with major depressive disorder have issues concerning the DMN. They're not getting fully refreshed. They're having hyperconnectivity, and they're having hypoconnectivity in specific brain centers out of balance, so that they cannot reset and become refreshed. Acupuncture at due 20 helps restore this. This is very important for patients suffering from depression, to help lift them out of that state. Take a look again at healthcmi.com at this article. I think you will find a lot of important clues and answers to how we can better help patients suffering from major depression. If you like the article, go ahead, share it on Facebook, Twitter. There's a few buttons there for you. If you like the podcast here, write a review at the Apple Store. Let us know what you think and other things you would like to see. We'd be happy to publish on the topic. Take a look at www.healthcmi.com. And thank you for listening. Join us again.